Hello everyone and welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today I will be showing you all about this 2022 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive in this beautiful red color. This Toyota RAV4 LE is the luxury edition trim of the RAV4 and it has lots of features, so let's go ahead and check it out. We can go ahead and take a look inside. Up on the dash you'll see that this RAV4 has 43,000 miles. Don't worry, we filled up the car, so the tank is full. Over to the right is your center screen and stereo controls. So this is your home menu, which you have your miles per gallon, radio, and menu. In apps, it'll let you know that you can get more apps with Toyota and have more features. But if we go ahead and take a look into the audio, you have your sources, which you have your regular FM and AM radio, as well as Sirius XM radio, and Bluetooth audio. Easy to use and easy to find. You have your regular radio and your presets, as well as you have the option to have your maps as an app. And of course, when you go in reverse, you do have a backup camera with parking assist. Nice and convenient and help you park safely. Underneath that are your four-ways and adjustable vents. Underneath that is your climate controls, which go with the vents. On the right, you have your temperature. On the left, you have your airflow. And then underneath that, you have your buttons for where you want it to go. Underneath that, you have your traction control and auto start on and off. Going down underneath that, you have a few charging ports and some storage. Then you get to your gear shift, which has your park and everything like that, as well as your drive modes. So with your drive modes, you have sport, as well as you can have sport and snow, and then you have mud and sand, rock and dirt, as well as your normal. And of course, you have your eco mode. Behind that, you have your cup holders, and then in your center console, you have another 2 charging ports. Now for up on the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you have your cruise control settings. So you also have your lane keep and pre-collision alerts to help keep you safe. Underneath that, you have your mode and station adjuster. So you can change the radio station that you're listening to or mode that you're listening to. On the left hand side is your volume, as well as your hands-free calling and voice commands with Bluetooth audio. Then you have your arrows and menu options for your instrumental panel to know your messages, your miles per gallon, tire pressure, things like that. Next to this, you have a little cubby as well as your lighting settings for the interior of the car, as well as your auto high beams. Then on the door panel, you of course have your window controls, child lock, door lock, and mirror controls. Now if you go ahead and take a look on the inside, the interior of this RAV4 is a light tan interior. It's cloth and super comfortable to sit in. But overall, a great space and lots of features. So let's go ahead and check out the back seats. Back here you have lots of legroom, as well as the backseat people have pockets from the back of the passenger seat, as well as vents and a charging port. The middle seat as well folds down to be an armrest with cup holders. You can easily fold that back up, and you can have the opportunity to fold down the second row seats for some more storage. This RAV4 has a nice protective for the back seats and the trunk area. You can go ahead and click it back into place. And then we can go ahead and check out the trunk area. Underneath the emblem is where you open up the trunk area. Back here you have lots of cargo space, as well as the protective mat like I mentioned, and a divider to separate the trunk area from the back seats. So you can easily pull that out to separate it, or put it back in and have it all concealed. Underneath the RAV4 mat you have your spare tire and some tools. In case of any emergencies out there on the road, you'll be prepared, as well as a little bit of storage on both the left and right side. Overall, a great space. Now we can go ahead and hold the handle and shut it. But with that is all I have for this 2022 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive in red. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. We'd love to talk about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.